Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, June 28th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, again, we took a bull position once the 4 EMA here was regained on the daily, and it did reject from the 8 EMA, but it did hold the low of the previous day. Still liked it as long as it held that 4 EMA by the close, which it did. And then I said today that it didn't hold the 8 EMA, got pinned a penny under there, but I said I still like to play if we can break above yesterday's highs on the oil inventory reports, which we did. About the same bull volume as yesterday. And our next resistance we're going to look at is this 20 EMA here at 44.96. And then I'm not really worried about the 20 EMA. You can see the last few bounces of 20 EMA haven't been really, didn't see much resistance there. So I'm not that worried about the 20 EMA. More worried about this price resistance here at 45.28. You can see on the way down we've been setting lower highs on every consolidation bounce attempt here. And so to change that trend, we're going to have to break above 45.28. Just be mindful that you can continue to swing this position as long as it's above the 8 EMA. And the last 2 times we got that signal, they've been nice bounces. Again, still expecting a lower high on this bounce from the last bounce. That's just the pattern we're in. We have a high, a lower high on this bounce attempt, and another lower high and lower lows, and another lower low here on this pullback. So we need to play the pattern and the trend as it presents itself. There are times when this 4 EMA, on the daily won't work. We ranged in here at the top, and obviously that would have been almost impossible to play using that strategy. But it does work well. Oftentimes, here worked okay, as long as it held the 8 EMA, lost it there. But the pattern right now, as it's presented itself, is clearly there that we play a bull on the 4 EMA, 8 EMA being gained, and we play it bear once the 8 EMA is lost, play a bull when the 4 EMA is gained, and play it bear when the 8 EMA is lost. That's just been the pattern there. And so there will be times on the way up, just as there were on the way down, that the 8 EMA is going to be tested for back tested. Once we gained the 8 EMA here, we back tested here, and then had a nice run up here off of it. So I'm not expecting it to shoot off of the 8 EMA. I'm expecting it to ride with the 8 EMA as it's done in the last 2 times. And you can see here, back tested it once here. So not expecting anything crazy to happen in oil unless there's some news, some type of news that makes it shoot up. So we're going to look at the 20 EMA next, and then this price resistance at 45.28. Our supports are going to be the low of today. Even if wouldn't like it if it broke the low of today, honestly, until we move up a little higher. We need to continue to set higher lows on the daily. And again, that 8 EMA is a big deal. If we have a close below that 8 EMA on the daily, that's a red flag as we swing oil. And another thing to look at is when we consolidate, the ideal consolidation looks something like this. Had a nice move up, had a little bit of red day consolidation there on decreasing bear volume. Also on this consolidation here, where we set a lower low and a lower high here, and unable to continue to break the higher highs and higher lows, we had decreasing volume. So that's something to watch for on consolidation. We don't want an increasing bear volume. That might be a red flag. And that's about it for oil. As long as that 8 EMA support can continue to swing it bull. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.